guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought we was only gonna do one video today, but we're gonna end up doing two, because we're finna give her a mini tutorial on YouTube, because she's trying to get her subscribers up and she wants to get her views up, right? All right.
Oh, this is the most views I've gotten than the other video.
So I was telling her on her page she needs a title. So when she posts things, she needs to have a nice title so people know what they're looking at. Right now when she posts, it doesn't have a title, so that's not helping her viewers. So I tell her she needs a title. She needs to use a hashtag. Let me show you what a hashtag is.
But they might not see it on my whole page.
This is a hashtag. Alright, hold on. You see that symbol right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's a hashtag. So like when you're trying to, when you upload a video, let me show you what my videos look like. Okay. I don't know if your mom called. I'll talk to your mom. So you have this app, right? No, this one, the YouTube app, right?
Mm-hmm.
You need the YouTube Studio app.
I don't know if that's possible, because when I try to download stuff, it only says install. See, when I try to download this.
Let me see. YouTube Studio. So you push get.
See?
Because you need the
Password.
Yes. Alright, so I'll talk to mom. Alright, so we need to get you YouTube Studio. Okay. Even though you still can upload, but maybe your mom can download YouTube Studio so you can see what your views look like. So you can see how you see how many subscribers, and you see what your numbers and your comments and stuff look like, okay? So like when I post a video.
Wait, you went to VidCon?
No. I'm talking about from this. This is a game, a basketball game. So like on this video here, right? I'm trying to see what I have for my hashtags and stuff. Let's go to my actual YouTube page.
Has AJ been posting on YouTube?
I don't know. Alton, she's asking about your YouTube, sir. Okay. So this is when you put hashtags, you see how they pop up right there?
Mm-hmm.
That gives people something to look at.
Hey,
so
that's not fair that you only get 3 likes. I'm liking.
But okay, so you see how it's on there? You put your hashtags so people can know what to look for. So like if it's a dance video, you hashtag dance. So like the next time you want to upload a video, you need to call me or ask me.
Oh.
Yeah.
I don't have your FaceTime? FaceTime?
You can FaceTime me. That's fine.
Yay.
And you can tell me what kind of video you're gonna post, and then we'll get a title, and we'll get some hashtags. Okay? Oh, you need my number?
Yeah.
We'll put it in here this way.
Yeah.
You don't have it. Let me see contacts.
I only have Deja, my grandma, Daddy, Honey, Makai, and Mommy, my cousin.
You used to text me. No, but you used to text me from Makai phone, huh?
Hello? Yeah. And her iPad. Yeah.
Okay, now you have it. Okay?
Yeah.
Alright. So, we're going to work on her getting editing. I'm not the best, but we'll work on it, right? So we can get her views up, right? Y'all, I'm trying to be so consistent with this posting. I try to post twice a week. You got to post a lot, though. You can't be inconsistent. Consistency is key.
What's inconsistent mean?
Inconsistent means you can't not post on a regular basis. So you have to be dedicated. You know what dedicated means? Dedicated means you have to give it your all. If you want your views to go up, you kind of gotta do it every day. Yeah.
I did not just text you.
But you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You have to post every day, okay?
Why do I have to? Why did you have to name me that? Why do I always have to be named that?
Well, that's because it's attached to your dad's email address.
Can you name me something else at least, like?
You have to have your own email address to get it attached somewhere else.
Email address.
Your mommy not gonna let you get an email address right now. You're too young.
And I asked my mommy if I can make a marshmallow in the microwave, which I like to do. Yeah. And Daddy wasn't there because he was getting the seafood.
Oh, okay.
And I got mussels, and she got mussels too.
Alright, so that was just a quick little video that we did so I can give her a mini tutorial. We'll probably do an in-depth one later when she has a video to edit or something. I don't know, we'll see. But, yeah, you gotta edit. You just post videos as is. You don't edit your videos. We'll work on editing later. So whenever she posts the video, we'll go back over, okay? So, again, don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. And we'll see y'all in another one. Bye.
Bye.